Hi everybody, Carl here, KE0JWK, out trying some portable ops. We got everything kind of put together, and it seems like I've got it working. Voltage is down a little bit, sun's getting low, but I'll show you the setup. There's the battery and the solar charge regulator. Voltage gauge there. There's the IC701. There's the solar panels, and like I say, the sun's going down now, so I'm going to run out of operating juice here shortly. I'm operating on 40 meters. That's the antenna I showed you guys the other day, and I've added a wire to it, got it stretched across to operate on 40 with it. It's more or less an inverted L type arrangement. But it seems to be working pretty good. I've made several contacts. The conditions are just horrendous today, though. At the moment, I was listening to the Moonlighters net, waiting for an opportunity to check in, and we'll see what happens here if I can get in with them or not. I believe net control is in Texas. I think is what I heard. We'll see what happens.